It's, it's too cold. Soft. Hello everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. I'm Aishi Gupta. Today I'm back with another skincare update. So basically, I'm going to rub an ice cube and aloe vera in it for straight 3 days. So let's see what will happen. So I did my research and find out lots of benefits of ice cube. And a lot benefits of aloe vera. So I think that why don't mix both of them and make aloe vera ice cubes? So I did the same. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. But before we begin this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. For this, I am taking a fresh aloe vera and cut its edges and then cover just like you see. I'm taking a pulp out of it and blend this pulp. Pour into ice tray just like it. You can also add water into it. It's your totally personal choice. I like to do it, that's why I do. Now fridge it for overnight. So here's the day first, and you can see my pimple over here and here. So let's see what will happen to them after doing 3 days. Before applying ice cubes, we are cleansing our face. So now it's time for ice cube applying. It's too cold. Oh my god. It's too cold. Oh god. How can a person bear that? It's done. Now I will wait for it to air dry. So now it's a day second, and I didn't see too much difference on my skin, but it has glow. That's it. So let's see. So it's a day 4. Last night I finished my challenge, and as you can see, my pimple is half gone. I am really surprised because I applied only for 3 days, morning and evening. But if I do apply it straight for a week, or I just applied include in a skincare routine, what will it do? It's really worked like magic for me. This makes my skin soft and glowing. Really, I give this 10 out of 10. This ice cube is 10 out of 10. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye.